What's up lovely people, this is nijohn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you some amazing drone video of Dhondenling Monastery. If you are looking for a place to go for a single day ride or drive, Dhondenling Monastery you can consider as your destination. If you have not been to this place yet, it's time for you to ride there. Dhondenling Monastery is roughly about 180 kilometers from Bangalore. You can take two routes. You can go via Bangalore, Kanakpura, Malavalli, Kollegal route, or you can go via Mysore highway, that is Bangalore, Ramanagara, Maddur, Malavalli and Kollegal route. Both the routes are awesome. The weather is just perfect to go for a ride to Dhondenling Monastery. There are multiple monasteries in that area. You can take local helps to find each one of them. All the monasteries are located very close to each other. It's easy to find, and those surrounding mountain view is really refreshing. Now enjoy the amazing drone view of Dhondenling Monastery. Keep watching. After the monastery visit, you can head to the nearby town called Odeyapalya. Odeyapalya is roughly about 7 kilometers from this monastery. That is where you can have lunch, you can fill petrol for your bike or car, and then head back to Bangalore. Hope you loved this video. If you would like to show your love, do like, comment, share this video with your friends and family members. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will definitely motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Cheers.